Are your prospecting lists in Zoho dynamic? If not, you are leaving money on the table. Start working your leads, your prospect, effectively and efficiently in the most systematic way possible. PhoneBurner makes it extremely easy to do that. Once you've installed the PhoneBurner app, you'll be able to select your records and launch a dial session right from the Zoho UI. Every call that you make while using the PhoneBurner app is going to automatically log that activity back to Zoho. And in addition to that activity being logged, we're going to log the date and time of the last phone call, as well as the outcome of the last phone call. So as you see here, I'm making some calls using PhoneBurner that I launched from my Zoho CRM. And every time I click on one of these dispositions, the call is getting logged back to Zoho. And let me show you what that's going to do for us. Let's go ahead and mark this last one as no answer, and let's close out that dial session. Now let's jump back to our Zoho CRM. These first few contacts are the ones that I'd selected from this list. Now if I refresh this list, you'll see that those contacts have been removed from my prospecting list. And the reason why is that as I made those calls, the call activity and the date and time of that call was logged to those records. And this list is configured in a dynamic way to exclude any contacts that were called today. So it's looking for contacts that have never been called using PhoneBurner, or the last time they were called was either yesterday or older, making my prospecting list extremely dynamic, allowing me to focus on making calls instead of trying to figure out who to call. Now, whenever a new lead or prospect gets added to my system, whether that's through a form or an import, doesn't matter how they get added to my system, they're going to be added to my queue. So all I have to do is log in, load the appropriate list that I want to start calling from, select all, and begin my PhoneBurner dial session. And now I'm able to focus my time and energy on talking to people instead of figuring out who to talk to. What are you waiting for? Take a moment now to build your own dynamic list in Zoho so that you and your organization can start getting more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.